Okay, good morning. I am just in a rush putting on my shoes because I have somewhere to be, which is my car, because my parents sat in the car waiting for me because I took too long to get ready. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm a bit sick, not gonna lie. Like, my nose is a bit runny, but I'm actually fine, to be fair. I'm not like dying or anything. I'm just like slightly snotty. Yeah, we're just going out for breakfast and to do some shopping. It's Saturday, by the way. This is not the relaxing start that I wanted to have to the little get ready montage, but it's fine. Okay. I'm home and I filmed nothing as per usual. I really didn't do anything interesting. I just went for breakfast, so please don't feel left out. See, this is why I actually have been thinking I need a smaller camera. I'm not gonna buy one because I don't have the money for that. I don't know, maybe like I could film on my phone. There's actually nothing on my phone, but if I had a smaller camera I could like slip it into my bag and then use it. But if I'm too scared to literally pull out my phone, why would I be too scared? I mean, why would I be comfortable enough to film on a camera? So I think I'm just like blaming it on the fact that my camera is too big to bring with me, not the fact that I'm too scared to film in public. Anyway, my camera's really not even that big. Do you guys even see my camera? This is you guys. I don't know if you guys have ever actually seen yourselves, but that's you. But yeah, I just got home. I need to sneeze. I feel it coming. Nope, she's not there. I'm gonna revise in a minute. There she is. Today I'm gonna like talk you through kind of how I revise, because I feel like a lot of the home videos you just see me revising, but I don't really like explain or like talk whilst I'm doing it. I just kind of like do it. So I feel like I'm gonna kind of explain what I'm doing. I'm gonna start off with some psychology exam questions because that's kind of what I'm struggling with right now. Exam questions are like some of the best things that you can do to like, and I don't know, it sounds like kind of like a cop out, like looking at the mark scheme, but honestly looking at a question and then looking at the mark scheme straight after and understanding the answer, like if you see that in a real exam, that answer will come back to your head. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like it feels pointless in the moment. I'm not telling you to just like literally like just look at the mark scheme when you're doing exam questions, like, because I'm not saying that at all, but yeah, I just mean look at the mark scheme if you're struggling. Sometimes like a couple days after, I'll like repeat the same question that I did, but without like looking at anything. I'll literally just like write it out from my head, but obviously because I've seen the answer before, I'll know what the answer is. It's just a good way to like kind of learn certain things that you might not know. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm just done with revision for right now. I literally just did exam questions. I didn't even like learn anything new, but that's still revision, so it's fine. But I just can't be bothered right now, and that's actually like a really important thing with revision. Like, if you don't want to do it, like, don't do it. Like, keep it. Okay, that's actually a really bad thing to say, because I know some people are going to take that and like run with it and be like, well, I don't want to do it ever, so I'm not going to do it. But the point is, you've got to make it like something that you want to do. Like, if it's like, I don't know how to like word it, because nobody really wants to revise, but like, if you in your mind keep it as something that's like you just gotta like keep it to a point where it's not like you literally want to like, oh, like you hate it so much, you know what I mean? Because like obviously no one really like enjoys revision. Well, some people do, I do sometimes, but you just gotta make sure that you don't like hate it, and like when you've had enough, you just gotta like stop and take a break and like do something else and then do some more later. Because if you're just sat there like and you don't want to be revising, it's absolutely useless. It's a waste of time. Like, you might as well go and do something else and then come back and actually want to do it, than sit there for 3 hours not wanting to do it, don't do anything, and then say, okay, that's my revision for the day, I'm done, I'm gonna go do something else, and then you don't do it later. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know, that's just advice from me. Because I know, I'm not telling you like if you don't ever want to do it, just don't do it, because I know some people will just not ever revise then, because I don't know, they just see that as like, I don't want to do it, so I'm not going to do it. But you just gotta like know your limit when you are doing it. That's my point. Anyway, I'm thinking that I'm gonna actually give my room like a bit of a clean, because okay, I know it is clean, but I like my room to be like literally spotless. Like, I love having one of those days where you just like clean it all up. Like, I'm gonna get the Hoover out, I'm gonna wipe everything down, and it's just gonna be good. So even though I don't really think I need to Hoover, but I probably do, because I feel like I get my carpet really dirty really quickly. Like, I feel like that's nasty, but I don't know, I just feel like I just drop stuff. I eat at my desk all the time, just stuff gets everywhere. So yeah, and this carpet was like expensive, so you got to keep it nice, you know what I mean? Also, when I went out earlier, okay, literally call me a grown-ass old woman, but I saw this, which I've been seeing everywhere. I feel like, I don't know if any of you guys watched, if you watch my videos, you definitely watched Emma Louise, probably, I'm hoping. If you don't, go and watch her. But she always talks about Zoflora, and like, I don't know like what the hype is, but apparently it's just really good and it makes your house smell like really nice. So I bought it to like, because I've got quite a lot of like surfaces, I guess, in my room, like that I like wipe down, like especially my desk is like my big area I'm usually at, and I just feel like it would be nice to have just like a good little like disinfectant to like wash everything down with. I don't know, maybe that's just like me being a weirdo, but I don't know, I bought this because I just thought it would be fun to use and try, and I don't know, I got influenced, okay? First of all, I feel like I need to take everything off my desk and give it like a proper wipe down, because I know you guys saw me wipe it down with wet wipe a minute ago, but that was literally just because I had like apple, like water from my apple that I was eating earlier. I like had it on my table, and I like the water from the apple like went on the table, so I just wiped that down because of that. But I'm gonna give it like a proper good wipe down, and then I'm gonna hoover my floor. I'm gonna organize this little like, I have this little like bookshelf, and it is like quite organized, but it's just like down there is quite bad, and like I just want to like make sure it all looks nice and neat. I also need to sort out whatever is going on like over in this corner, because it's just not looking cute. But yeah, gonna do that. Also, it does really annoy me because I wish I looked after this desk better, because like, I don't know, like, if any of you guys have this like IKEA like wooden material, you will know how like I don't even know what this is. Like, how has that happened? Because like, how have I even done that? It's just happened on its own. And then this also happened. I don't know if you guys see this in my videos. It's not like dirt. It is literally just the things ripped off. I should probably like paint it white so that you can't really see it. But like, there's just... if this is like a stain, this won't come out. Hopefully this will get it out. And this is like pen, and there's just like scratches and stuff. Like, they don't look that bad, but like, it's just annoying when they're there. Do you know what I mean? Like, can you see all these little like, and they just don't come off. Like, they are like in my table, they don't come off. So yeah, that is a little bit annoying because I do love this desk. I don't know what this desk is called. If I find out what it's called, I don't know if they even sell it anymore because I bought it like a while ago, but this desk is, it's so good. This is like the best desk ever. Like, and I don't, if they don't sell it anymore, that's really sad, but it's like the perfect size. I feel like some of the IKEA desks that they have like are either really like small, as in counter space on the top, or they're really low down. Like, I don't know if that's just me, but I used to have an IKEA desk. Like, I had one of those ones I feel like everyone has, like, you know, the one with like the long drawer. Like, I used to have that one, and it was just really like small. I don't know if I'm just weird about like my desk space, but this is like, this is perfect desk for me. Like, this is nice and like, it's good. I think it was like, I can't remember how much it was. It can't have been more than £100. I don't think. Yeah, definitely not. But it's a good desk, so I recommend to anyone that is looking for a desk. You filming right now? Yeah. I want to be. Oh, you want to be in there? Yeah. Hey, can't swear. They haven't seen me in a while. I've been watering this plant like consistently, and I don't know if it's because I put it in that corner there and there's not much sunlight, but it's just dying. And I mean, does it look like it's dying? Does this look like it's dying? It's definitely dying. Look at those. But I water it like enough, I think, and I just don't know what to do. Like, do I keep on watering it? Will that like revive it? I don't think that will revive it. And once it dies, it just dies, right? I don't know, but I'm gonna water it anyway. But it does look a bit, looks a bit sad. I don't know.